Folks packing grocery and hardware stores in the area preparing for the pending storm. Fox 43's Matt Klein spoke with people about the items they are buying ahead of the Sunday snowstorm.
Groceries are flying off the shelves as winter storms bear down on Pennsylvania.
I don't think it'll be that much a big deal, but you got to be prepared.
People flock to Karns Foods in Newberry Township looking for bread, eggs, and milk before the start of Sunday's snowstorm. Many customers got their shopping done in the morning to avoid the lines.
Snow's not coming till Sunday, so I didn't think it would be crowded, but people were already seem to be panicking.
John Manito says he wanted to pack plenty of food and drinks to keep himself comfortable through the weekend.
Coke Zero is my specialty drink, and then I got some food items to be prepared just in case have to be in for a day or two.
Meanwhile, in New Cumberland, people are picking up snow blowers, shovels, and rock salt at Weist Hardware.
It's definitely so much busier than it has been. The winter's a slow time if it's not going to snow.
Jolyn Weist says store traffic has nearly doubled in reaction to this weekend's forecast and adds they will likely run out of rock salt by the end of the day on Thursday.
The warehouse that we order from has basically said they're out for the season as well. So the likelihood of us having any more after this storm is pretty slim.
People say they're getting whatever supplies they can so they can enjoy the snow from the comfort of their home.
Mother Nature has control, so whatever the weather brings, that's the way it is.
Matt Klein, Fox 43 News.